Hello, crafty friends. Thank you for joining me again today. A bit of Saturday craft. So I'm gonna use this product. So from all from Spellbinder, almost all from Spellbinders. There are two embossing folder, two of foil sentiment, and I'm gonna use this panel as well. So starting to foil the panel. I'm gonna use actually for everything this gold, simple gold foil, and starting with the big one, using the inch method. There you go. It's still a bit hot, but I can take it off. And I'm using very smooth cardstock. And it came out pretty good. Yeah, there is a bit of overfoiling, but I don't care because I'm not gonna use it till there. I'm just gonna cut it off. I just need an accent of gold, so I thought that would be a good idea to use this panel. Cut it off, I think 6, but I'm gonna use just 5 of this. Well, they're gonna be candles. And I cut off the backing as well of thick cardstock to make them stronger. Then I fold 2 sub-sentiment that say, I hope it will come true, and P.S. I love you. I'm gonna make 2 different cards. One is a birthday card, and the other one is a friendship card, let's say. So starting to foil the sentiment, you are a wonderful friend. And again, I'm going to use the same gold foil. You can't see the paper because it's basically the same cream color of my my background on my table, but there you go. So the first time I have to admit it didn't come out so well, so I had to redo it in another piece of paper. While Make-A-Wish, it came out pretty well on the first time. There you go, perfect. Now it probably didn't come out very well because I use very thick watercolor paper that is not exactly smooth, but if you put a good shim between my layers, then it will work perfectly well. Now I trim, of course, my panel on using a stitch rectangle die, and now I'm gonna use both embossing folder. So this is a 3D embossing folder for March 2023 from Spellbinder. It's called Tile something. Sorry, I don't remember now. I will put it on the description below. And I didn't use this one before. It's very nice. Give you this lovely repeat pattern that is quite nice. And I do partial embossing on one side and then again on the other side of my panel. Same things with my cards, my watercolor paper. Sorry. This time I'm using the February 3D of embossing folder of the month. It's still my favorite, by the way. Still waiting for the April. Hopefully it's gonna come soon. It's been dispatched, so can't wait. Maybe if I arrive today I can do something tomorrow, but we'll see. Now I'm gonna do the bottom part of my panel. I learned this technique from Jana Makula in one of her videos, and I love it. There you go. Come out really nice. I absolutely love this embossing folder, don't you? I think it's amazing. Now I'm gonna mat my first panel with gold cardstock. I don't know why I'm into gold at the moment. I think I'll go phase pink, gold. I don't know what is gonna be my next phase, but you know, I'm enjoying it, so I hope you do as well. So I'm gonna just mat it to this just slightly larger panel. And now I want to give a bit of color behind my candles, so I'm going to use a pick of feather. I didn't want to use a blue or pink, so I went for a kind of greenish color, it's a bit more neutral, so it can be for anybody the card, a birthday card. And I'm just gonna do a touch of color just in the center. It was a bit darker than I was hoping for, but in the end it will come out okay, I think. So now I'm gonna put some strip foam tape behind my candles, just to pop them up a bit. And I'm just gonna place them in my panel, sorry, one beside each other. And then there are 5 in total. Now for the little flame, I used this Sizzix old die set that I had, and that is supposed to be a big drop of rain. But I think it's perfect for my candle flame. And again I put some foam square, mini foam square behind, just to pop them up. And now I'm gonna attach my sub-sentiment. Again, I pop it up with strip foam tape, just under. I don't know why I'm using this one, considered that is, I could just follow the line of my embossed, but never mind. And now I'm gonna pop the whole panel up with a bit of foam at the back, fan foam. And I'm gluing with simple PVC glue, you know, the children glue, the one that you can buy a bucket for £1. And it worked perfectly fine. I'm happy with that. I just put in a squeezer bottle I've got for years. There you go. I'm gonna attach it to my card, and now I'm just gonna press it down with my stamp positioner and leave it to dry. Now on the second panel I decided to do something a bit different, so I'm gonna give it some background accent, gold accent background. So I've got this lovely, that almost finished now because I use it quite a lot. It's a washi tape, gold washi tape. It wasn't straight, so I'm gonna try again. At least it wasn't the way I wanted. And I'm gonna do 2 layers of it, leaving a little space between the two. Very simple and quite fast. There you go, so come on, it's done. And now I'm just gonna cut off the excesses. That's it. Press it down a little bit. Perfect. And now I'm just gonna attach my panel to a bit of foam again, just to pop it up. There we go. And now again, the glue on it. And I'm gonna attach it to my card. Sorry. Card base is cream color, just slightly darker of my panel. And I think it works. I like it. I try to center it, and because it's glue I still have wiggle movements so I can do a better job. And again I'll leave it to dry. Now I'm gonna touch my sub-sentiment that say PS I love you. It would have been nice even without, but I decided to add it. And now last touch, of course, few of my gold pearls. I'm gonna stop using, I promise. Gonna try to do something different on my next card. I just can't get enough of it. I really like them. Now I'm gonna scatter here and there. Just around my sentiment, that's it. And then I'm just gonna glue them. I think this one is the last two. There you go. And the cards for today are done. I really hope you like them. That's the details. I'm gonna have some photo at the end. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you didn't. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice Saturday.